Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is undoubtedly the best cheerleader costume for kids on the market, the Spooktacular Creations cheerleader costume. As Halloween approaches, parents are always on the lookout for the perfect outfit that combines fun, style, and comfort. This costume checks all those boxes and more. Let's take a closer look at what makes this cheerleader costume so special. First off, the Spooktacular Creations cheerleader costume comes as a complete set. It features a vibrant pink top and skirt, complemented by a stylish powder blue bow hairband, and, of course, 2 pom-poms to complete that cheerleading look. Your little one will not only look adorable, but they'll also feel like a true cheerleader ready to cheer for their favorite team or steal the show at any Halloween party. One of the standout aspects of this costume is its premium quality. Made from 100% polyester, this outfit is not just about looks. It's designed to last through all the wear and tear of active play. The fabric feels durable yet comfortable, ensuring that kids can enjoy wearing it all day without any discomfort. Parents will appreciate that it's easy to care for, too. Just a simple hand wash and it's ready for the next adventure. Now, let's talk about versatility. This costume is perfect for Halloween dress-up parties, cheerleading events, or any themed celebration. Its vibrant colors and fun design make it a fantastic choice for school performances or even birthday parties. Plus, it encourages imaginative play, allowing kids to embrace their inner cheerleader and express themselves through roleplay. And let's not forget the pom-poms. They are well made and sturdy, adding that extra flair to any cheerleading routine. Kids can shake them with excitement, and you won't have to worry about them falling apart. They're just the right size for little hands, making it easy for your child to engage in all the cheerleading fun. As for sizing, the costume comes in various options to accommodate different age ranges. It's essential to check the size chart to ensure the perfect fit for your child. The outfit is designed for ease of movement, so whether they're jumping, dancing, or just showing off their cheerleading skills, they'll have no trouble at all. Overall, the Spooktacular Creations cheerleader costume stands out as the best choice for kids this Halloween season. With its vibrant design, quality materials, and fun accessories, it promises not just a costume but an experience. Your little ones will feel confident and adorable as they embrace their cheerleading dreams. So, if you're looking to make this Halloween unforgettable for your kids, consider the Spooktacular Creations cheerleader costume. It's more than just a costume, it's a ticket to joy and creativity. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Happy Halloween shopping, and see you next time.